Hi guys, welcome back to I Am a Cat. I am cat. I am cat. At. I am cat. I am cat. Here we go. What happened to my arm? What's happening to my arm? Oh, nothing's happening to my arm. Oh, what a beautiful. Oh yeah, forgot I freaking do this. Forgot I left Granny in the stupid garage guy. Na 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 boo boo, you are dumb. Come on, come on, doggy. Come on. Ooh, ooh, you can catch me now. You can catch me. I go in treehouse. Treehouse. Wait, what's my quest? What's this? Beer? Huh? Oh, we have to break all the beer. I'm gonna be the cat that saves everybody from beer. Yeah. I'm gonna be the cat to save everybody from beer. Yeah. Yeah. Die, doggy. Yeah. Die, doggy. Yeah. Better drink some oil. Okay. Gotta save everybody from beer. Any beer here? Ooh, no, but there's a watermelon. Oh, oh man. Oh. My belly's big again. I should not have done that. I really just got cured and now I know there's beer up here. Beer! No more beer! Yeah, go on that tree. More beer. No! This is a beer can. No! No! No more beer! Oh, well, he's away. This is a box of beer. Why is there so much beer? Get that in my face. Break these boxes of beer. We don't need these boxes of beer. Yeah! No more box. Oh wait, this one's empty, but no boxes of beer either. that? I'm kicking it in that stupid garage guy's yard so he can have the beer because I don't want to save him. Whatever. Beer! Why'd they place it in front of a trash can, bro? Yeah! Okay, wait. Grandpa drinks beer. Grandpa! No more! Ah! You're not getting in my way. You know I want to eat you. No beer, Grandpa! Beer. No. No beer. No beer. No beer. No beer. No beer. No beer. I gotta dump this out. No beer, Grandpa. Do you want to die? Oh, nice. Your teeth are not gooder than Grandma's. It doesn't get knocked out. You can have your last bit of beer, okay? Here you go. It's all the beer you're gonna have now, Grandpa. Okay, he doesn't have any more beer. Is there any other beer? I don't think there's no more beer. I don't think there's any more beer. Ooh, cake! Wait, you know what happened to you last time? After you ate that. But I'm not gonna eat the chocolate one. They all have some chocolate in them. Not this one. Too big though. Wait, this one doesn't. This one does. What a nice day, don't you think? Melton. Who's Melton? Who's Melton? Hey, Melton. Hi, Melton. Okie dokie. Hiya. Hiya. Bye, Melton. You know, I'm just gonna drink a little bit. Ah! Ew, get the beer can out of here. Ah! Time to go back home. Wait. Buddy? Buddy! I miss you, Buddy. I miss when we used to play in the pond. Oh, cat treats. Dang it. Whatever. Yeah! Time to go in the... Ah! Time to go in... to play games. No, you freak! Video games! No. Video games! And this is the kind of video games I like to play. Hey, dang it! Oh crap, I accidentally did one. Okay. And didn't make these ones explode. Good. Okay, you'd have to jump over here. Yeah! Woo! Where's the doggy? Okay. Say that, doggy! I don't want to hatch another one or else that bitch will eat them. Mwah. Miss you, man.